Namaste everybody. Today is World Environment Day and Kirti and I from the Tasmai Art and Cultural Centre in Pondi paid a visit to Shuddham, a waste management unit run out of a space given to them by the Sri Aurobindo Ashram and run by volunteers. When it was started in 2002, Shuddham initially worked with the local government but are now open to anyone willing to donate premium dry waste, which means it has to be segregated away from wet waste and given clean. It was a pleasant surprise to see firsthand the range of work they do to ensure that waste does not reach the landfill, which unfortunately is the fate of the municipal waste of the otherwise most charming town of Pondicherry. We were met at Shuddham by Maya, one of the coordinators of the program, who took time out of her busy ashram schedule to walk us through the intricacies of their operations across the different types of waste. So, over now to Maya and her team.
Dry waste and they give it to us. Dry waste means which cannot be composted. So people collect all the dry waste and they bring and give it to us. Our two guys here, they sort out the dry waste. So they This plastic bag we had made some 15 years back with all the details what should go in this. Some things have changed, but the whole idea was to beautify India. People, actually like-minded people who wanted to do this, and when they got this idea, this is like 15 rupees per bag we give them, and we tell them that you hang it in your house. When it's full, you just come empty and take it away again. We have a list of things. These are the categories. There are a few things that we get from here. Waste paper.
Oh, so you're able to sell this at this rate?
Yeah. This is the recycler's rate. He weighs in front of us and he takes it.
Okay.
And we wait till we have quite a lot of volume.
Yes.
Yeah. Because he has to fill up the vehicle to send it to whichever factory it has to go.
Okay.
And these are jumbo bags which can be used in colonies where individuals can come and empty their bag, and once in a fortnight or once in a month they can come and give it to us.
And how much is this?
This was 100. The price has gone up. I still don't know the rate.
Okay.
We'll have to.
But people can buy it from
Yeah, absolutely. Papers that we started making packets, 3-size packets for our ashram department.
Yeah.
So you upcycle
Upcycling small, medium, and big, because when they're just sitting.
in honesty and all
Honesty, Oro Boutique, Navvihan.
Yeah.
So we were giving them, they were giving us paste. So you see, like this is for the incense packet that we had done for Oro Boutique. They told us what size they wanted.
Right.
These are the medium size.
Yeah.
Weight wise or number wise.
We'll make a number.
Something we should
number
do,
wise because it's hand done.
Upcycling, but we are not able to sell because since last year the shops are closed.
Okay, but once it opens, you think it should be able
Not so
to.
much because it's just 3-4 departments, ashram departments.
Right.
So we can try and coordinate with the shops in our neighborhood and we'll fix the rate.
So
And
there
we're
is
trying to
this,
convert them into using paper and cloth option.
Correct.
So if you give the paper option, we are with tailors trying to give the cloth option.
Okay,
So we'll try and work out something. What is this
So
kind?
now these are all
be
waste paper, which is
miscellaneous.
1 rupee per kilo. So if you put them in a bag, the volume is too much. Storing becomes difficult.
Okay.
So this is called a baling.
Yeah.
So you keep pressing inside, you keep pressing, then you tie with these nylon
Right. That's what
tapes.
he's doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then like this can be about 20 kilos, 30 kilos.
So it'll be 20
you can
rupees.
store them. And it's easy for the recycler to take also, load it in his vehicle. So we have this for the waste. We have one just for cardboard also. Cardboard is quite a high selling thing.
Yes.
So instead of just throwing it in the dustbin,
Yeah.
you just put them like this here.
Good list.
Yeah.
So you make money from that. Okay, good.
It is hardly anything because paying
No,
two
no.
workers.
You manage to support them?
No.
Then the payment happens
From
through
our whatever.
From the
we
kitty.
have. Then we have the water bottles. Then we have just waste plastic, broken.
I understand the lid of the bottle they don't buy.
They buy in a different rate, I think.
Yes.
So usually they don't take. We are just giving it with that. What do you do with
So-
the lids otherwise?
No, so Satyajit keeps finding the lids on the shore and he retrieves them.
So they throw the
And,
lids out.
I'll show you, he's been making coasters.
Okay.
So we come to the shore, bring them also.
Ishwari
And I
ma,
will
ಇದು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಗೆ ಮುಡಿ ತೈವಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ತನ್ಯ ಅವರ ಪೈಲ
தனியா வச்சிட்டு அதை ஏதாவது கைவால் செய்யலாம்.
ಅದ ವೈನ್ ಮಟ್ಟ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಪ್ಪಲೆ ಪೋಟ್ರ
ஆமா.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ತನ್ಯ வச்சிக்கணும் முடி ಬಾಟಲ್ ಮುಡಿ
அவங்க மூடி வாங்க மாட்டாங்க. அது மூடி வச்சிட்டு வேற எதுமே கைவால் செய்யலாம்.
இது பாட்டில் அப்படி செய்யணும் இது முன்ன தான் சொன்னா
கிரஷ் பண்ணனும். அப்புறம்
இது திருப்பி யார் யூஸ் பண்ண கூடாது ஓகே so you are this bro just plastics
other shampoo, medicine.
Lids of every one of them.
the lids of everything is not sold on.
Metal lids they will buy.
No these plastic lids
It all depends on that, you know, the number.
because the recycler has not told us about
Satyajit
this.
maybe can come and guide you. There are 6 grades of plastic,
Yeah.
how to recognize, and you could sort out the plastic grade wise and what is upcyclable and what is really like hazardous, which you cannot even upcycle. So maybe that segregation can also be done at your end, and then you can get better value.
Yeah, absolutely. We should do it.
Yeah.
I'll contact. Now he has contacted Puru Satyajit.
Yeah. So
He
Satyajit,
has,
I'll tell him. In fact, today he was going to come, but being World Environment Day, he's doing a beach cleanup campaign.
He has some 30 kilos of waste plastic. You give us because we are planning to make a road out of waste plastic. So we are trying to collect all the waste plastic and see if we can try out something like that.
Yes, yes. In fact, that is the solution. We have to ourselves upcycle it and not put it in the bin.
So this is the milk packets.
That has a value.
Value. I think it is 8 rupees per.
The problem is that that snipped,
Cutting
that
of the
snipped
packet.
corner, that piece, has now gone into the landfill. So when
to
when
also
they
educate them how to cut.
Not cut the whole thing.
No, no,
Leave it, huh?
no, no, it should not be cut at all. You should just poke with a scissor, and then cut it straight. So when they come to deposit, you can demonstrate. So it should not be disengaged. That little
bit also is
yeah.
These are the blister packets, medicine packets. So in medicine packet also you have some type like this aluminium foil. So they get little bit of zinc and all that from that. But there are some which is just ordinary plastic. They are not ready to buy.
Yeah. Now this, how are you managing to separate the aluminium from the
We are
plastic?
not doing it. It's the recycler who.
They're buying it at aluminium
Yeah.
rate in spite of this.
Not. I'll tell you the rate. What is the rate?
They will buy it at a little
Yeah, they buy
reduced rate.
the blister packets. Tablet. 12 rupees kilo.
This packet.
Pardon?
Milk packet.
Milk packet is plastic milk cover 15 rupees. Milk is 15 and you will see all the maids in houses, they will never throw the milk packets.
Milk packet has value.
So they will all collect the milk packet and they
Bottles
will
and milk
collect
packets.
cardboards, bottles, they know what to collect. They are all sorting out, there is magazine separate,
Okay.
there's a white paper has a different cost.
okay,
Mixed paper. So we are sorting out according to that category.
and you give them all to just one fellow. Huh?
One recycler.
What's his name? Oh, I met him. What's his name?
Edumalai.
Edumalai.
He comes to me also.
Edumalai.
It was
So per month, how much is he able to pay for all this?
see, this is absolutely random. Once in 2 months, 3 months, depending on the collection.
So maybe like 2,000, 3,000 rupees a month he might pay. or even
I
more?
have to just find out the total amount that we are selling.
Because
and
you are not
get an
able
idea.
to meet the
No,
salaries of
not
these
at
two
all.
people. और इनका
But
कितना तनख्वाह है?
4,000
Each 4,000 each.
Full day, na?
Full day.
पर अभी तो लॉकडाउन में हाफ डे है, but last few months they have been just sitting because no one is coming. Even
हाँ.
earlier very few people used to come and give.
हाँ.
And like there was idea कि let's shut down, close down, and then we said no, we have taken so much trouble to start this. Sometime it will pick up. We collect because in Auroville they make these false ceilings, and it's very light and very effective, and it doesn't let the rainwater come in, or it maintains the temperature also.
Oh.
So people can give you thermocol.
Yeah.
That you give.
It can't be too small, right? It has to be slightly big size.
Thermocol, they
Huh.
can give us any
size
because
also.
even if it's small, big, we can collect and then send it to Auroville.
These composting pots are you selling?
Yeah, we are
What is-
selling.
Can
I'll
you
just
take a
bring the, yeah.
Amma, this is a different model, which is like a 3-tier model. She'll explain.
No, we are getting it from Chennai. So this is the medium size. We had big size which got sold off. And these are called daily dump. So all your kitchen waste, your dust and everything can come in this.
Dust also?
You
Okay.
see?
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
After
And
sweeping the floor.
floor, and you can put it on this. And if your kitchen waste is too wet, and if you cut them smaller,
Yes.
they will decompose faster.
Yes.
You cut them and put them, and then you put a layer of soil or a layer of sawdust
Or dry leaf.
or dry leaf, so that if it's too wet, it gets absorbed. And then you keep collecting in this. Once this is full, you put this below, and the bottom one you bring it up.
But how will this, because it will
No,
go
you have
through,
to put a light net,
You have to put a net.
thin net, yeah. So that if it's
Mesh.
there's too much liquid, it can go through.
Ah, good idea.
Yeah.
Good idea.
So you have to put a mesh in
At-
all the
at
two.
all the two
first
levels,
and the second,
second
because
level.
the bottom one is covered from below. So once this is full, you put it here, bring this up. Once that is full, by then this will be semi-composted, and that you put it at in the bottom one. It's like a storage. There was one big one was 2,100, but all this was 2 years back.
I
the
know.
rate,
Okay.
yeah.
So this
And
is
the medium one was I think 1,400.
for the whole set.
For the
Yeah,
three.
there are three.
Okay.
So you have stock of these if people
We are
want.
just three right now. We have placed order, but right now nothing is functioning.
The problem actually is
Amma,
with
it
the
will
other
convey-
plastic bag, that's all.
Pardon?
The problem is with the other plastic bag, that's all. There's no other problem. Everything else has the money value, and you know, in our country, people are so poor. So you see the scavengers and.
So we are forced to throw those plastic bags
In the dumpster.
in the outside municipal bin.
Huh. So then that's
So it's better if they clean it, dry it, and then give it to us.
But now you're keeping.
We are storing.
And then hopefully we will come up with
We
some
come
innovative
with some
project.
solution.
Some innovative project like plastic road or something.
Something.
So how long has this been functioning here like this? Because it's an amazing service.
So this place maybe last 7-8 years
Yeah.
or 10 years since the tender was passed and they changed
So
the
you
thing.
shifted here.
Yeah.
And Maya, are you open if anybody wants to come and give their segregated dry waste here? Are you open to
We
taking
are
it?
open to anyone coming and giving us dry waste.
Yeah, dry waste, which is premium waste, clean. What are the timings?